Hello everybody, I'm the Magikarp Gonzalez, and I thought I'd shoot this outside today because it's a nice day. So I'm going to do a trick for you today called the straw through straw. Alright, so I have some normal straws. You can see that there's nothing in it. It's just normal straw, 2 normal straws. Okay, full straws. Alright, so I'm going to go like this. Okay, nothing fancy. And I'm going to wrap this straw around the other, like so. Okay? Then, I'm going to take this straw and wrap it around this one. So we got a whole bundle. Okay? So now that they're locked in place, all I have to do is go, then the straws come apart, but look, I'm being totally serious. There's no breaks in the straws. No breaks. It's still a straw. Still perfect straw. Okay, see? Normal, normal, normal. No, it's not breaking. Broken. See? Normal straw. Thank you. And comment, rate, and subscribe.